Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. I'm so excited. We finally made it to the end. Yes. I just finished all your grades. Everything should be caught up and ready to go. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please message me. I should be available all weekend. I should be submitting final grades on Sunday. So if you have any questions about that, just let me know. If you're missing anything or need to talk to me about anything, contact me immediately as soon as possible. That way it's good. But do keep in mind that your reply posts and your assignments are due tonight. So please make sure to have those turned in. If not by Saturday morning, if possible, that would be great. But again, Friday's the due date, so please make sure to have them in. If all your grades are not in by Friday, which is today, just everything will be a 0. So please make sure that everything's there, unless you contact me. So make sure about that. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know about the material. The work should be pretty simple this week, so that should help you out. Other than that, that's all I got. I just want to say well done on your project. You did really well. I was really impressed with most of the papers and everything. Probably a better round than most that I've seen come through here, so great job on that. Other than that, thanks for putting up with me. Thanks for putting up with my debates. Thanks for my classes and everything, and thank you for being awesome students. If you have any feedback for me, please let me know. But other than that, have a great time. And if you need any information, or if you have any concerns or questions about your futures or anything, or if you need help looking for jobs or something in the game industry or software industry, let me know. Got your back. Other than that, it was a pleasure. If you really need any advice or anything, you got my email and my phone number, so just let me know. But that's pretty much it. Have a great weekend. Enjoy. You really deserve it for all the hard work you've put in. And definitely take some time over these next 2 weeks and take it easy for sure. Other than that, thank you for being amazing. And thank you for being awesome students. And thank you for having some fun with me as well. That's really the great thing about that. But enjoy, be safe, and hopefully I'll see you in my future classes. Have a good one, guys.